My name is Devon Carter, and I come from the beautiful Caribbean island of Anguilla. The reason I'm here at COP is to promote to fight for loss and damages and financial aid for the Caribbean region as a whole, but also to speak to the UK since Anguilla is a UK overseas territory about how the UK can, how the overseas territories can be more represented at COP and also in the climate dialogue as a whole.
My name is Claudia Walters, and I am from St. Davis. I am at COP27 to connect with other young climate activists and to participate in dialogues surrounding climate action. As a young woman from the global south, it is important that I participate in these dialogues and fight for climate justice.
Hi, I'm Sky Alexander. I'm from Trinidad and Tobago, and I'm here at COP27 this year to understand what our global world leaders are doing to address loss and damage and climate financing. And I'm also here to understand how our world leaders are going to address the link between gender and climate justice and the role that women and girls play in the climate crisis.